Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to import product from Shein website to your Shopify store. If you are a dropshipper, then I will give you the easy steps to import any product or any category product from Shein website to your Shopify store. As you know guys, Shein is one of the most e-commerce platform. Then this video is for you. Make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to import any product from Shein website to your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, after creating your account on your Shopify store, then go directly and hit on settings. Then guys, go directly and select apps and sales channel. Then tap on apps and sales channel. Then guys, go on the top and click on Shopify app store. Then guys, you need to upload application to make you easily import product from Shein website to your Shopify store. But there is two options applications. The first one is the paid one, and they will show you the second one is a free version. Then guys, for example, the paid one, it's his name is Importify. Importify is the most application using by dropshipper, but it give you only 1 day free trial. After 1 day you will need to pay $14 for the basic one, $14 for each month. Then guys, if you want the free one and if you are a beginner, I prefer to choose the Robo. His name Robo. This one, Robo Product Importer. Then guys, this application it's very easy and you can import any product from Shein website to your Shopify store without no issue. Then guys, you need to install the application on your Shopify store. It's take a few minutes guys, don't worry, it's very easy guys. Then guys, hit on install in the bottom, because you need to install this application. Then guys, this is the dashboard of your application. Then first guys, you need to get the extension and you need to add this extension to your browser. Then get extension here. Then guys, you need to add Google extension, then add extension. Then guys, after adding this extension, go to the top and hit on icon extension. Then you need to make it pin. Then your extension was added to your browser successfully. Then guys, you need to go and directly to your website. For example, I will pick a random product, for example this one. As you see guys, it's very easy to import any product from Shein website to your Shopify store. I don't know, I don't understand what is this. Then guys, this is the product. Then you need to import this product from Shein to your Shopify store. Then go directly on the top and hit on a Robo icon. Then guys, as you see guys, this is add to Shopify. Then hit on add to Shopify. It take a few seconds to take a processing to import product. Then guys, wait a few seconds. As you see guys, the product was imported successfully. It will take you directly to the application. Then guys, this is the dashboard of application. Then the product, the basic information. Then you can customize also any information on your product. For example, the price, the original price is 1.62. then you need to add, for example, $6. Then guys, you can customize description. You can add something like the colors or anything. Then the image, as you see guys, the application import all pictures. Then guys, and the last one, hit on import. Then guys, you need to add product to Shopify. Then guys, wait a few seconds. As you see guys, product imported successfully. Then if you want to check your product, just go to the Shopify store, then hit on and open your Shopify, then go directly to product section. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, this is the product that you was already imported from Shein, and it was imported successfully without no problem. Then guys, this is the easy and the only method that dropshipper using from to import any product from Shein website to your Shopify store without no issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.